Hello students, I hope you all are fine. In our last two sessions, we have learnt about some places in our neighborhood like park, school, hospital, market, post office and police station. So in today's session, we will learn about few more places in our neighborhood. First, let's check our yesterday's homework. The first picture is of post office. Second is police station. And third is market. Well done. Now let's see some more examples. We can find fire station in our neighborhood. A fire station is a place where fire engines are kept. Firefighters use fire engines to put out fires. मतलब जो फायर फाइटर्स होते हैं वो फायर इंजिन्स का इस्तेमाल आग बुझाने के लिए करते हैं. बैंक. A bank is a place where people keep money in their accounts. We can also keep our valuables safe in a bank. मतलब हम अपने कीमती सामान को बैंक में सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं. We can also find a mall in our neighborhood. A mall is a building where there are many shops. It also has restaurants and movie halls inside. Students, did you know Lulu International Shopping Mall is one of the largest malls in India? Lulu International Shopping Mall इंडिया के सबसे बड़े मॉल में से एक है. इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन केरला. यह केरल में मौजूद है. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज लुलु इंटरनेशनल मॉल एंड you can see there are many shops inside this mall. Bus stop. A bus stop is a place from where we can go to other places by bus. बस स्टॉप से हम बस में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. Bus stops are for passengers to get on and off the bus. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green. We should throw waste in bins to keep our neighborhood clean. We should plant trees to make our neighborhood green. Students, now words to know. Neighborhood, the place around a house. Post office, a place where we go to send letters and buy stamps. Let's recall. A neighborhood has many important places. They make our life easy. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green. Now let's discuss few questions and their answers. What is a neighborhood? The place around our house is called a neighborhood. Second question. Name any two places that you can find in your neighborhood. School and park. Students, there are many places in our neighborhood like market, hospital, post office, police station, etc. So you can say any two places of your choice. Third question. How can we keep our neighborhood clean? We should throw waste in a bin. Students, now let's play a quiz on neighborhood services. Let's start. First question. Where do we go when we are unwell? Market, park, hospital or school? We go to hospital. Yes, our answer is right. Next question. Where should you throw waste? In the market, in the dustbin, in the park or on the road? In the dustbin. Yes, our answer is correct. Where will you go to send a parcel to your friend? Police station, park, market or post office? Post office. Yes, it's the right answer. Where does a policeman work? Post office, park, police station or hospital? Police station. Right answer. Which of these places has different shops? Post office, market, park or hospital? Market. Very good. Where do we go to study and play? हम पढ़ने और खेलने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? स्कूल, पार्क, मार्केट और पुलिस स्टेशन? स्कूल. Well done. Radha wants to buy envelopes and stamps. Where should she go to buy them? Post office, hospital, market or park? Post office. Right answer. Diya wants to run and play after coming back from school. Where should she go for it? वो खेलने कहाँ जाएगी? पोस्ट ऑफिस, हॉस्पिटल, पार्क और मार्केट? पार्क. Yes, right answer. Okay students, I hope you all must have enjoyed playing this quiz. Students, it's time for today's homework. Circle the places in your neighborhood. You can see there is a bakery shop, a school, a chemist shop, a park, a bank and a mall. So you have to circle the picture of the places which are there in your neighborhood. I hope you all will enjoy doing this homework. Students, I hope now you all will be able to identify all the places in your neighborhood. Study well and take care.